Hey guys, we will go in an old Soviet factory. Ooh, that's cool.
Mike is turning around. Check this out.
Yes,
No
check
one,
this out.
no one asked us anything at the gate. We just went through like whoosh.
Yes, and look at the images of the former time.
Oh my god, you see that?
This is a copper and alloy metal production. They were making here metal pieces for cars, for trucks, for tanks, for various things. All sorts of metal and metal work, pumps and
A lot of technical
a
stuff.
lot of technical stuff. Yes. Let's check out more and let's see how this place looks like.
So this is a Soviet symbol of the former factory.
Yes, or more or less what remained of the former factory.
Yep.
This was the former Soviet factory that was making train parts when I was a kid. And now it has been turned into, I don't know. Various companies are working here now.
This is a club.
Yep.
What the heck? So this is now how a communist, like 30 years old.
More than 30 years.
More than 30 years old, yeah. 40,
50 years old,
50
at least.
maybe. Yeah.
Looks like.
Factory looks like. You see that that's a lot of nature taking over, with flowers and stuff. I'd be curious to see how it looks like from inside. Can you see? You have like, can you put the cameras through there? A big what? Can you? I can give you the camera. Oh. Let me see if we can show you something. Yeah, it has a lock there. Yeah, the small one has.
Well, the shot from the inside. And the small one
It has a
a
lock.
welded shot here. See?
This is a very interesting gate, like with the sectors and sections and parts of the factory that once used to work, and people were coming inside and outside this factory. And now there's literally nothing. Imagine this place like with a lot of smoke going up and down that chimney, and
In the 60s and in the 70s, imagine this place running full time.
you don't find this kind of things in other countries
Nope.
now anymore.
In Soviet countries, maybe you can find something similar, but I don't know if anywhere else.
Yeah. Давай, товарищ. Well, I don't think anyone was speaking Russian inside here, but you had to learn it in your school while you were a kid, and but yeah, they didn't focus on this that much. I mean, you had to learn a little bit of Russian, but not that much. Mike, Mike, Mike. Mike, he's turning around.
No, the dog is away.
My heart is pounding. I told you
He's
they're
afraid
dogs.
of dogs. How can you be afraid of dogs? They're cute dogs.
Yeah, not all of them. And here are other dogs.
No, they aren't.
And all of them are coming. They're
They're
two.
not coming up.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh.
Yeah, man, no, I'm scared of this. Because you don't know what they might do. You don't know the dogs. And I know there are some dogs here because it said restricted area here.
The sign is restricted areas from the 60s.
My, oh,
It's restricted area since the 60s.
if any dog bites me,
They're not gonna bite you. And they're above that fence.
how can we get down from here without any dog barking on us?
Wait, I want to take a picture of you.
Okay, take a picture. If I'm gonna hear any more dogs barking, I'm gonna myself. I'm literally shivering. I'm actually shivering now. Oh, he's coming up. He's coming up. He's coming.
Calm down, this dog.
You're going to fight with the dog.
I'm not gonna fight with the dog.
He's coming up.
Yeah, you were just checking the place out.
Well, he can check it there. He can stay by his own place.
He's a cute dog.
Yeah, no, it's not for me. He was barking at me.
Yes, he's barking because you are crossing over his territory.
Yeah, well,
But you're not anymore.
yeah, I don't know. Maybe there's another dog here barking. There are people here guarding their dog. Okay, so this is a private property. We couldn't film the guy who gave us the approval to come inside because, yeah, I don't think he wanted to be filmed. But literally, like, the conversation went like, okay, so, you know, this is a private property. And we're like, no. And we're like, okay, there were some dogs chasing us, and this was the reason why we wanted to come up here. And he said, okay, if it's like you can go up, no problem, you have my approval, but yeah, the road doesn't go anymore up, so it's gonna be a dead end at one point. And we're like, okay, we're just going there and coming up. Do you think there are any bears here?
Not now.
But when?
During the night, maybe.
So,
Because the bears usually come out during the night.
well, last night, yesterday, there were some bears coming at around 9 o'clock.
Yes,
in the
exactly,
evening.
around 9 o'clock, and now it's 8. So we have one more hour till the bear might come.
I hope to God this is fenced and we're not gonna get nose to nose with a bear.
You never know.
Yay, the place is fenced. Yay, we're safe from bears. Or, did you hear that? I don't know, man. I do not know. I don't think any people have been here since a very long time, maybe. Here's some water stuff. Private property. Okay, so this is the end. Okay.
Find a good angle for a picture.
Me too? No, I want to go home. I want to eat. Did you know of this? We have a little bouquet. Green, 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 beautiful. And then this. Yo, man. The guy up there asked us if we saw the bear. And he said that many times the bear comes here during the day. And he suggested us to go and try to see, like, from a different viewpoint, Brasov or city, from a different viewpoint, and that's gonna be interesting. There's like a ladder here on one of these huge poles. One of these. Oh my god, this looks freaky. You sure you want to do this? Michael is already going up. Oh man. Is it easy?
Yeah, super easy. You can come also.
I don't know.
We are going up. Let's see how this is going. Climbing on top of an old Soviet power plant chimney. The stairs are a little bit rusty and it's a little freaky because everything is shaking and cracking, and it's almost dawn and I have to watch out what I'm doing, but I'm almost at the top, so let's see how this is going. Almost there. Check this out. Whoosh. Okay, and let's get up. Ding, 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 ding. And voila, going through this thing. Oh, this is something interesting, and we can go all the way up there if you want, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that today. So let's see. Oh, there are some more stairs here. You can go on top. I will go after I show you the view from here. Up. This is the mountain you were seeing from the old part of the city, and across this mountain, well, hill, mountain, whatever you want to call it, is the old city and some new buildings and the water place. And here is the new part of the city, which was made in the 60s. I'm on top of the power plant chimney, factory actually. Chimney is all going more up. As I showed you before, the old part of the city, now this is the new, well, new from the 60s, 70s, that new. And you can also see some modern buildings. But yeah, this is the new part of the city. And here you have an old, somewhat abandoned factory. And yeah, over there the mountains in the background.
Michael?
Yes, I'm here.
Ah.
Hello.
How is it? Huh?
Wanna come up?
No.
Why?
No, I don't want to. I'm protecting you here from the dogs.
Look, there are some dogs here.
Where?
In the forest.
Ah, in the forest, okay. They're not here.
Okay. Time to go down. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Gigi's down there like a scaredy cat. She didn't want to come up.
How was it?
Nice. Let's go together.
No.
Why?
No, I don't want to do that. Maybe someday. combining beauty and this stuff. I mean, what the heck? Is this the main entrance?
No. This is an entrance. Brasov has four main factories. A truck factory, a tractor factory, a ball bearing factory, and this factory. And in the 2000s, all of them at one point closed down. They were privatized, they were sold to private investors. And all these factories closed down and all the people became jobless, including my dad and my mom, and more or less 80,000 people of the city became unemployed. It's one of the harsh truths. And then at one point people decided to work in other industries rather than factories, because factories were more of a Soviet thing and were not cool to work anymore.
After being chased by dogs and
Yes.
trespassing and almost meeting the bear.
Yes, and going up the freaking chimney of the power plant, it's time to get out and continue to fight another day. And maybe we can come back to this place and explore it from the inside. Who knows, if we are lucky.
So far it was interesting.
Yes, very interesting.
We just came inside and started filming and that's it, nothing planned. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like our channel.
If you like more like things like this, we will have to search for factories. There are a lot of them.
Soviet style.
Yes.
It was a fun day. Let's walk
Yes.
out and hope no one was gonna stop us.
Yes.
There's some
Looks
people
like the
inside.
people are not caring about us. So, yeah. Bye guys.
Bye.
Have a good one.